Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the merge column option on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the merge column option on your WPS spreadsheet. For an example, here you can see a lot of cells here. So here I'm just going to select a particular cell like this. I'm just going to use the merge column option. So right click on your mouse and you can find option called merge. Click on this merge option and here you will see this option called merge column. So you can see the preview also like a image. Click on this, which you can see that will convert the like a row. You can see it's having a single row. This is called merge column. So we can just use this to create a columns or rows like this. Right click here. But it named as a merge column. You can just click on this top menu. You can find this option called merge columns. Click on this. It look like a column. So you can see that it look like a total column. So this is how we just merge the merge column. We just use the merge column option on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.